We're in conversation with Varun Berry, the Managing Director of Britannia, who many credit as the turnaround agent as far as his company is concerned. So thank you so much for talking to ET now. Before I move to your overall vision for the company, I just want to touch upon the recently concluded results. If you can just take us through your performance, top line, bottom line, and also the key drivers behind these numbers.
So sure, Chandra. So we've had a good quarter. We grew 12% revenue, and all of the revenue growth came from volume. So we are delighted with a double-digit volume growth. Our operating profit grew 56%, and our net profit, if you take out the one-time gain that we had last year, which was of a property that we sold in Chennai, the net profit grew 48%. So this has been the 11th quarter for us of double-digit revenue growth and also very high double-digit profit growth. So we are delighted with the results and looking forward to the balance part of the year.
You mentioned how the value segment comprises almost 46% of the market,
yeah.
And now your share in that is
single digit.
Single digit.
Yeah.
So is there a target that you have in say 2-3 years, since you're making all these investments in the Hindi heartland, on where you want to take this up?
So I would be delighted if we get between 15 to 20% share of this segment. And this is going to be through sheer hard work. So it's all going to be through distribution. It's not going to be through pricing. It's not going to be through discounting. It's going to be hard work, getting our distribution, putting our product in outlets where biscuits sell, and bridging the gap with Parle as far as distribution reach is concerned.
Take us through the opportunity itself, because recently you had Prabhat Dairy listing on the public markets, and they are talking about setting up a mozzarella cheese factory in India. So what sort of changes are we seeing here? Does dairy have the potential to be as significant a contributor for you, as biscuits going forward? Are we seeing consumption patterns really changing, which is making you more optimistic when it comes to value-added products in the dairy segment?
So first of all, dairy is the largest category in India. If you look at packaged dairy, it's about 82,000 crores, right? Very large category. A bulk of it is packaged milk, which is not value-added. But even if you were to look at the top end of the value-added products in dairy, they would still be over 10,000 crores, right? So, it's an established fact that dairy is a habit. Consumers in India consume various dairy products during the day. It's a habit. They're looking for change.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/etnow.